Why enter IdeaWF? Let me give you 3 reasons: process, feedback, and prizes. The first is that IdeaWF has a process that helps you make progress. Many Americans dream of launching a business. Few do. They just don't know how to get started, or they can't find the time to make it happen. IdeaWF creates a process, a structure if you will, that helps you make progress. It's about training and hands-on assistance and deadlines that give people momentum. Many people have told me that this momentum carried them all the way to starting their business. The second reason is feedback. Often people have a relatively general idea of what they want to do. What they need is some honest, unbiased feedback that helps them turn that general idea into a viable business prospect. The first bit of feedback comes from the professionals in the SBDC as they work with you to help you craft that winning business plan. And then we hand it over to the judges. And those 5 business professionals use all of their expertise to tell you exactly what they do like and what they don't like about your idea. And finally, are prizes. 3 fortunate teams are going to get an awesome prize package that has not only cash, but also exactly the things startups need to succeed, like accounting help, legal help, marketing assistance, information technology, and human resources advice. So that's it in a nutshell. IdeaWF is about the process, the feedback, and the prizes. And for the community, it's even simpler: jobs. IdeaWF is about creating more and better jobs in our community.